Life, sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, and welcome back. You guys asked for cupcake toppers, and here's another cupcake topper video for you guys. Today we'll be making these unicorn cupcake toppers. We're going to start with a few different molds that I'll link below, and we're going to start with some pastel pink, light blue, a light purple, and a yellow. We're going to just roll out some circles using the circle cutter. And you guys know, if you watch my last cupcake topper video, it's a 2.5-inch circle that I'm using, and I'm actually going to use the scallop side and not the smooth side. So I'm just going to roll out some plain color circles. So now I'm going to take some small pieces of each color, and I'm actually going to show you guys how I do my marble pattern. And we're just going to use the pink, the blue, and the purple to create a marble pattern, and then we're going to make some toppers out of the marble pattern that we created. So now you're going to see me using some different molds. I'm going to make some large flowers, and I'm also going to make some small flowers to go on some of the other toppers. I'm also going to be using my number 8 from my number mold, and then I also have a unicorn mold that I'm going to be using as well. So that's what you'll see me doing here, just making flowers and unicorns and the number 8. So these are some unicorn horns that I'm going to use next. I actually got them from Amazon. They're cupcake toppers and they're made out of glitter cardstock. They aren't edible, so I do let my customer know that they aren't edible. But I'm going to remove the sticks from these and I'm actually going to lay them flat on my cupcakes. I don't really like cupcake toppers that stick up unless the customer requests those. I like all my cupcake toppers to lay flat. It just looks better in pictures to me when they all lay flat. So I'm just removing the sticks from each one, and then I'm going to make some smaller flowers, and I'm going to make one of each color, one pink, one blue, one purple, for each of those unicorn toppers. And then now you see me making, I have an actual unicorn mold, and everything that I make in the color yellow, I'm going to actually end up painting it gold. So it's just kind of like a marker for me because yellow is not in this color scheme. So anything that I make yellow, I'm going to end up painting it gold later. That was a quick tutorial on how I make my fondant rainbows. You can use brighter colors or you could do all the colors of the rainbow. Now I'm going to paint the yellow designs in gold, and this is my gold luster dust mixed with a few drops of vodka. I will link below. So I'm just going to paint these and then let them dry. You can see in the background another order that I'm working on. I actually recorded that order as well. Those are my safari cupcake toppers, so look for that video. But I'm just painting these gold. And then once everything dries, this is actually the next day, everything has dried, hardened overnight. And now I'm just sticking all the little pieces to the toppers with piping gel. I always make my toppers at least one day before. I usually make them at least 2 days before, but you want to make them at least one day before so they get to harden, all your pieces harden. And they'll look nice and neat when you're ready to put them on top of your cupcake toppers. Because if you don't let them harden, they won't lay flat. And then when you put them in a box or a cupcake container, you close it, the moisture from it will cause them to sweat, become sticky, lose their shape. So you do want to always make your toppers at least a day, I say at least 2 days before. So they will sit flat on your cupcakes, and when you close the cupcake container or the cake box, whatever you put them in, the moisture won't affect them because they've already hardened. And now that we're done sticking everything down, we're left with one blank topper because I am going to add her name to that one. I'm actually going to cut her name out with my Cricut on gold glitter cardstock. So you'll see at the end when I add her name to that. But this is how they turned out. Aren't they so adorable? So cute, so dainty. And this is the finished product with the monogram. You guys always ask me to show you how I made the toppers for the monogram, and here it is. If you want to see how I made the monogram, I have 3 other videos showing you cupcake monograms. So check those out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.
Sweet life.